some green juice. I have been experimenting with making my own juice at home. I'm still making them with my blender, believe it or not. I haven't been the greatest at eating my vegetables lately, so yeah, I'm trying to improve a little bit there, but this has been something just different. Today is just a work from home day, so yeah, I have to do some cooking later and general life stuff. So let's see what the rest of the day brings. If I want to stretch it a little bit. Why did you just take it out of those braids if you're just gonna put it into a bun? It's just part of my process. Recently, I've been contemplating whether or not to wear like a little bit of makeup when I'm going into the office. I'd rather spend the time, I don't know, like doing my skincare. But then I don't really need to do a lot if I am wearing makeup. I could probably just put on like concealer or foundation or something. But I'm just so lazy. This is the green juice that I made yesterday, so I definitely have to drink this today and obviously shake it up before I drink it. today's green juice.